पीरियड्स या माहवारी एक नेचुरल प्रोसेस है, लेकिन इसके बारे में एजुकेशन ना होना या फिर स्कूलों और घरों में खुलकर इस पर बात ना होना, फिर सफाई और सुथराई की सहूलियात की कमी, पैड्स और टैम्पन्स का सस्ता ना होना, ये ऐसी वजूहात हैं जो दुनिया भर में हज़ारों लड़कियों और ख़वातीन को ज़हनी और जिस्मानी तौर पर मुतासर करती हैं। पाकिस्तान और भारत जैसे तरक्की पजीर ममालिक में या फिर दूसरे क़दामत पसंद माशरों में पीरियड पर बात करना एक शर्म की बात समझी जाती है। अब भी बहुत सारा स्टिग्मा अटैच किया जाता है, लेकिन मॉडर्न सोसाइटीज़ यानी अमेरिका में भी बहुत सारी जगह ऐसी है जहाँ पर खुलकर पीरियड पर बात करना भी एक स्टिग्मा समझा जाता है। और अगर अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की इसी साल इस हवाले से एक रिपोर्ट की बात करूँ तो सहूलियात के हवाले से बात की गई है कि अमेरिका जैसे मुल्क में भी हर 4 में से 1 नौउम्र लड़की और हर 3 में से 1 बालिग खातून को अब भी सस्ते पैड्स तक रसाई मुश्किल से मिलती है। मैं वाशिंगटन डीसी में मौजूद हूँ और मैंने यहाँ पर कुछ अमेरिकी ख़वातीन से ये जानने की कोशिश की है कि उनका पहला पीरियड का तजुर्बा कैसा रहा।
It was in Rochester, New York. It was the first time it ever happened. My mom had warned me a little bit about what will happen as a female, but when it happened, I freaked out. I was so embarrassed. I started crying.
I remember I was telling my daughter this the other day that I would not go into a drugstore if I had to buy pads or tampons. I would wait until there was nobody else in line and it was a woman who was selling the product, and then I would go and buy it. Otherwise, I would leave the store. Big difference, although there's still a stigma, because I remember she's in middle school, she's 13, and they're not allowed to carry their purses to their classroom. And she told me that a lot of the kids, when they have their period, they need to have products in the bathroom, because if they have to go get their purse and then go to the bathroom, then everybody would know.
यहाँ वाशिंगटन डीसी में मैंने चंद मर्द हजरात से भी बात की, उनकी भी राय जानने की कोशिश की कि जब वो बच्चे थे वो पीरियड्स के अमल के बारे में कितना जानते थे।
Never knew my mother had gone through anything like that. So the next oldest kid is a year and a half younger than I, a sister. And so I just remember in general that when her time came, that I was like, what? I said, she does what? What is that about? At that time, when I was that age, in school, we never learned about that. You know, so today I'd like to think that it's much different.
I was really young. My mom talked about it. I didn't have a dad growing up, so and my mom, I have a brother, but he's much older than me. So it was pretty much just me and my mom. So I heard about it. She didn't really have too much to talk to, too many other people to talk to. So she made sure I was educated. It wasn't like strange, but she made sure I knew about it.
I have grandchildren, but they're girls. And that kind of thing never gets talked about between me and them, for sure. Yeah, I think there was definitely, a negative feeling about it as a boy. It was kind of dirty, and by the time I got married young. I was just 20, and so, that kind of stigma left.